Oh, it's so good. Have you been searching for a natural, easy to use lip color that has fairly foolproof application and looks good on just about everyone?
Stay tuned as we highlight our favorite natural lip colors that are perfect for everyday wear.
We've got 5 incredible lip colors for you, and they're not only natural, vegan, and cruelty-free, they're super easy to apply without a mirror.
We can pretty much guarantee that these lip colors we're going to share with you are great for a very diverse crowd. Almost every person who's come in to see us personally for consultations have tried on these lip colors, so we know they are tried and true.
Okay, let's check them out.
Check them out.
The first lip color we're going to talk about is Vivacious from Elate. And this is a soft, dark berry with plum undertones. And it looks a lot darker than it is in the tube, but I promise it goes on a lot lighter than it looks. So I will demonstrate and show you.
Maybe I'll demonstrate too.
Yeah? Okay.
It's a nice sheer berry tone. That's how I like to describe it.
Mm-hmm. So this is perfect for everyday wear. Mm-hmm. We find that when a lot of people come in for consultations, they're wanting something. Do you want to clean that off?
Nah.
They're wanting something that they can use every single day, and we kind of talk about this as a bit of a tinted lip balm. Because it is pigmented with something called micro zest, it actually allows your natural lip color to shine through, and that's why it looks good on everyone, is because it looks different on everyone.
You look good.
You look good.
The second lip color we're going to show you is from Sappho Organics. It is Rita, which is a pinky red neutral. That's a good explanation, I think. And it has a bit of a satin finish, quite a bit of pigment. It's almost like a liquid lipstick, but very easy to apply, as we will show you right now.
The face of lip gloss application.
I know. I also like, you can put this on quite opaque and heavy, or you can just put a tiny bit on and just rub it in like a stain.
What I like about this is it's not sticky or wet like a lot of lip glosses are. It's, I don't want to say it's a liquid lipstick, but it's like a liquid lipstick hybrid with a lip gloss, if that makes any sense.
Totally.
The third product we want to mention today is the Spela liquid lipsticks, and this is a neutral dusty mauve color. This is super popular with all of our bridal clients. It looks good on just about everyone, whether your skin is dark or whether your skin is light. It will just act as either a darker lip color or more of a nude lip color. And I find that these ones are a little bit harder to apply perfectly without a mirror, but like Amanda demoed, if you just put a little bit on your finger and just rub it into your lips.
This is more like a stain application.
It's more like a stain application, and this color does have a silicone in it, and that's what helps it stay. So we personally don't mind silicones in lip products. It's when you're putting it on the skin on your face that's a little bit more problematic. So if you're open to using a silicone, this is a really nice long wearing product. And I will just demo it myself too.
Throw it on.
Let's see, do I win for not using a mirror?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. So yeah, that is spa day.
Is there a lip color that you currently wear and love that you're trying to find a natural or vegan dupe of? Comment below, let us know, and we'll try and help you out. The fourth lip color we're going to share with you is the Evelyn Iona lip gloss. If you're a fan of the MAC lip gloss, this is a good duplicate. It's not quite as sticky, but it has a very glossy finish. And this is like a beautiful, neutral, pinky nude.
Nudie pink.
Nudie pink, pinky nude. And this is one you can just throw on very easily. My mom loves this one. Moms love this one.
Moisturizing.
Super moisturizing.
Feels good. Yeah, I love these lip glosses.
This color that we just put on is called Lee's, and this is a color that looks good on so many different skin tones. And as you can see, it's a very neutral pinky nude.
The fifth product we want to mention is for those minimalists out there who actually really love the color of their lips and don't want to put any color on it. This is the Wild Hill Vanilla and Almond Lip Balm, and this is a really beautiful hydrating product. You can multi-use it for like a cuticle balm, or rub it anywhere that you need a little bit of extra moisture. It does contain local organic beeswax, and so if you are trying to avoid beeswax, this is not the product for you. In comparison to some of the lip balms on the market, such as Carmex or Blistex, they actually tend to dry out your lips more so that you'll use the product more. This is not one of those types of lip balms. This is super hydrating and moisturizing, and it will leave your lips super soft and moisturized. And
I also just want to add, this is it's 15 grams. I have one of these and it's lasted me forever. So this is a good one. You could do a little highlight with this.
And it actually kind of acts like a lip gloss because it does look a little bit glossy. Or you can just throw it all over your skin and call it a day. Want a mascara to go with your everyday makeup look? We made a video called What is the best natural, organic, and cruelty-free mascara, where we go over the 4 mascaras that we offer. The link is here or in the description bar below.
We hope you feel more confident now when shopping for natural lip colors online, and you'll see on our website that we do have the lip colors on 5 different models, 5 different skin tones to try and make it as easy as possible for you.
Yeah, so if you're curious about what a product might look like, you can just pull open that picture and it will be a similar look to what you want to achieve. Want to save 10% on your first Green Beauty order? By subscribing to our newsletter, you will also save 10% off of your first online order. Keep up with the Green Beauty Collective and receive exclusive sale information and offers. Follow the newsletter link in the description bar below. We're excited to have you a part of our community.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to also share with your fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as always, we will see you next Tuesday.